Empty buses explode in Israel in suspected terror attack. Detonate. 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 Explosive devices planted on the vehicles detonated in quick succession. Suspected. 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 3 empty buses exploded in a suspected terror attack near Tel Aviv. Explosion. 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 A third explosion was reported in Holon after an explosive device was planted on a third bus. Inspect. 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 All buses, heavy rail trains, and light rail trains must be stopped and inspected. Preventative. 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 Netanyahu ordered more preventative measures.